I am Dr. Sev Derwish. Diabetogen is a new generation of dermocosmetic which accelerate and close the non-healing wounds. The composition of diabetogen based on bovine colostrum, growth factors, insulin, and colloidal silver make diabetogen the best product for healing and close even the diabetic wounds. I tried diabetogen with different cases of diabetes and non-diabetic patients, and the results were amazing. I strongly recommend diabetogen.
Hello, this is Dr. Simona Carnito. I'm a diabetologist and I'm specialized in medical nutrition therapy. I like to use everything that is natural in my practice. And speaking of natural, I'm using since 2015 Diabetogen. Diabetogen is a very good product. I'm very satisfied with it. Since I've worked with it, I have very good results in terms of wound healing, because I have a lot of patients with type 2 diabetes. Some of them are not very careful, and still in these times in 2021 they are still having problems with a diabetic foot. And when it comes to problems like wound healing, like ulcers, there is a need to do something about it. Most of the products that are on the market are working in some way, but when it comes to combine good products with no adverse reaction and let's say maybe 90% efficiency, because in my practice I've seen this and I can tell you that I had only very good results. In these terms, Diabetogen is one of the options that I use all the time when it comes to wound healing. So regardless that is a patient with type 2 diabetes that has an ulcer or some burns in let's say after scars after surgery, I'm always relating to Diabetogen because it's a very good product. My results were always good, as I told you before, and I'm very content that there are no adverse reaction and the patient is very happy. So if you're thinking to use it, I'm very sure you're going to be extremely satisfied with this natural product, with this very good product, and you will see in your practice, in your offices, the results, and then you will maybe tell me the same thing I told you today. So enjoy your congress. I'm very happy that I could reach to you, and let's hope so after this pandemic we will meet in person. So have a great day.
Hello, I'm Dr. Sylvian Stanchio. I'm a European board certified plastic surgeon, and I'm working with Diabetogen since several years. During my activity, I noticed that on my patient I obtained a very good capacity of the skin to speed up the healing process, especially on the long scars in abdominoplasty. The healing process was visible improved due to the capacity of this cream based on colostrum and silver colloidal to increase the capacity of regeneration and also to protect against microorganisms. Practically, there is a huge difference between a skin not treated and treated skin with Diabetogen.
Dear colleagues, my name is Analena crutchon. I'm senior physician in diabetes, nutrition and metabolic diseases, and also lecturer at the University of Medicine and Pharmacy Iuliu Hațegan in Cluj-Napoca, Romania. Today I will say a few words about our clinical experience with Diabetogen and Diabetogen Forte, used in the treatment of various skin conditions in our patients with diabetes, but also in patients with obesity. As you know, Diabetogen is a new product that supports tissue regeneration. Colostrum-based formula contains natural biofactors such as amino acids, enzymes, growth factor, and other active components that are useful to our patient in a broad clinical condition, from itching skin to wound healing. We recommend to be used by our diabetic patient with dry and rough skin of their feet. Being a strong moisturizing product, these have the capacity to reduce the keratosis and the tendency to crackings, which we know can be the first step to a tragedy. The surgeon from our team used in the series of cases of foot ulcers have impressive results. Colloidal silver contained in this formula allows the application on the wound. This new type of wound dressing showed good results in clinical studies by reducing the healing time. It was also used by our patient in other skin conditions associated to their main one, such bed sores, acne, or even psoriatic lesions with improved clinical condition. In these years of pandemics, the use of Diabetogen and Diabetogen Forte were very strong tools for our diabetic patient to take care of their various skin conditions. So we will continue to use them in the benefit of our patients. So wish you all a successful Congress.
Hello, this is Dr. Iptihal Derwish. I'm a consultant family physician and I'm an assistant professor at Dubai Medical College. Since I'm a family physician, I'm seeing a lot of diabetic patients who is having a wide varieties of skin manifestation, ranging from small scratch to an itchy skin to a small wounds to a big post-operative skin wounds. I have used the Diabetogen a lot on my patient and it was proven to be effective clinically on our patient. It's really effective in reducing the healing time and it accelerates the healing process. So I really strongly recommend the Diabetogen to our diabetic patient with skin manifestations.
Hello, my name is Ana Maria Oproiu and I'm associate professor and the head of the plastic surgery department of the Bucharest University Emergency Hospital. Diabetogen cream, it's a dermatocosmetic product successfully used by me for tissue regeneration. I use it to treat the patient which was burned in the fire at Collective. The results was very good. The product Diabetogen, it's not only recommended for diabetics, but can also be used for patients with various ulcers, psoriatic inflammation of the skin, burns. Diabetogen cream and Diabetogen product, it's 100% natural product.